4P of marketing.
The 4 petaseconds of marketing, also known as the marketing mix, are fundamental tools used to understand and influence consumer behavior. Product. This refers to the actual good or service that a company offers to its customers. It involves considerations like quality, features, design, branding, and packaging. Example. For Apple's iPhone, the product encompasses its sleek design, advanced camera technology, user-friendly operating system, and the ecosystem of apps and services that accompany it. Price. This is the amount customers pay for the product. It involves determining the right price point that balances profitability with customer value. Factors considered include production costs, competitor pricing, and perceived value. Example. A company may use a premium pricing strategy for a luxury watch, charging a high price to convey exclusivity and quality. Conversely, a budget airline might use a penetration pricing strategy, offering low fares to attract a large customer base. Place. This refers to the distribution channels through which the product reaches the customer. It involves decisions about where to sell the product, such as retail stores, online marketplaces, or direct sales. Example. Coca-Cola ensures its products are available in a wide range of places, from supermarkets and restaurants to vending machines and online platforms. Amazon is a very strong example of a company that has mastered the place portion of the 4 Ps through their online marketplace and delivery systems. Promotion. This encompasses all the marketing communications used to inform, persuade, and remind customers about the product. It includes advertising, public relations, sales promotions, and social media marketing. Example. Nike uses a combination of television commercials featuring celebrity athletes, social media campaigns, and sponsorships of sporting events to promote its brand and products. In essence, the 4 petaseconds provide a framework for businesses to develop effective marketing strategies that meet the needs of their target customers.